As we predicted yesterday, gold trading at 1860 levels. In the same video yesterday, I told you very clearly that below 1900 gold will try to hit 1860 levels and silver will drop below 2280, and we may see a sharper drop below 2240 especially. Both the targets achieved. I hope you all profited. Now what is going to happen today? We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do watch till the end and don't miss to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can remain stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with gold first. On the hourly charts, you can see higher lows, lower highs are getting created. It is trying to consolidate here in this zone between 1860 and 1870 zone. I'll be cautious in between these levels. And yes, you can see the hourly stochastic looking upwards. MACD trying to cross over. RSI is near to oversold zone. This is just on the 2-hour charts, and if you look at the hourly charts also, similar is the observation. Higher lows, lower highs, trading sideways, trying to consolidate, trying to give a breakout. So today, if you see gold trading below 1859, you can go short, and if you see it trading below beyond 1870, 1872, I will say beyond 1872, you can go long. That is what it appears here. On the hourly charts, it is overbought here, not overbought, but it is at high, and now looking forward to a drop from here again. As what we can see here, see the peaks are getting created and the lows are also there, so it is trying to trade in this channel, and hence couple of red candles can be expected. However, the MACD is crossed over and MACD is trading in green. RSI is near to oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts too, higher lows, lower highs, and still consolidating in this zone. So as I said, today I'll be watchful of 1872. Once it trades above 1872, you can confirm that as a reversal. One can go long there. One can expect that probably we may see it again hitting at somewhere at this zone. First is 1880, very strong support, and once 1880 is taken, I will be looking forward to 1891, very strong pivot level. On the downside, breaking 1858, we may see a good drop further. Now look at the 3-hour charts. It is oversold. It was oversold. Now trying to enter into a buy zone, and the MACD was also wide and divergent, trying to converge from here. RSI was also oversold here, and hence a bounce back can be expected. That is what is evident here. And if you similarly look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see 1860, I have told you yesterday also, is a very strong support. It did show a breakout, however bounced back and recovered nicely. Now today again it is trying to trade with this narrowing triangle with the support at 1860 levels. It may try to rise again, and hence as I said, one can remain long once you see it beyond 1872. Anyways, 1872 too might get achieved, and beyond that it will rise further. This is what it appears on the 4-hour charts too, as 4-hour charts are consistently overbought, hence a bounce back is must. Now see, there is a crossover in the buy side, and hence I will be cautious with the shorts here. Now MACD is wide and divergent, running parallel here right now, trying to converge and crossover. RSI is oversold. So these are signals, or these are indications that probably now gold might see a recovery. A little recovery can be expected. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, there is another observation on the daily charts, because see, a retracement, then a sharp red candle. Now the resistance is definitely lying at around 1900, and you can see the candle is trying to create its shape. The wick is being formed. Now it is trying to form the body. Also look at this, it is opened below this low here, and hence I will recommend you to go long only once you see it trading above 1872. Definitely is going to be a resistance. Beyond that 1880 will get achieved, and I will be watchful and cautious of that probably it can try to reverse a bit. However, largely because this is opened in red, I'll be cautious of the shorts too. It can try to achieve somewhere here at 1855-57 zone before looking forward to a rise. This is what also can be expected. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, here is a crossover on the sell side, and I'll be cautious right now. It is looking downwards, may enter into oversold zone, and MACD is wide and divergent again. So still indicating a little bearishness, and RSI is near to oversold almost. So now see what does this all indicate and how we can make a profit out of these. See now if you see gold trading above 1866 here, you can go long. The target is 1871, 1872. These two levels definitely will provide a very strong resistance for any upward movement of gold. If it sustains above 1872, the target is 1880 and then towards 1891. And I am expecting a bounce back. Probably we may see a rise here in gold today. However, the lows at around 1855 cannot be denied. Remember, the lows at around 1855 cannot be denied. But I will recommend today that if you see it trading at 1855, 1857 again, you can initiate a long entry, you can buy again, and probably it may try to rise again towards 1870 to 1880 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at silver. As we have clearly sold, 1866 is the level to go long. In fact, I will recommend you to buy it around 1855-57. If you see it dropping below 1855, then only close your shorts out there. Then only close your buy position out there, and then only try to take a sell entry that is below 1855. Till the time it remains above 1855, I'll not recommend you to go short. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now this is the hourly charts for silver. You can see it has completed this cycle out there and it is formed lower highs. So it has completed the reversal, formed lower highs. Now again trying to take the shape. Only if you see it trading above 2280, then only I will recommend you to go long. So go long only once you see it at 2280 levels and plus levels. Now look at the hourly chart. This is overbought. Silver may see a little drop in this on the hourly chart, and MACD is wide and divergent. Probably a convergence is required. However, silver is in still very strong sell side. Now RSI is in a comfort zone here. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see after this it is trying to reverse. It has achieved this high at around 2270 levels, which is again a little resistance. Above this 2280 will come into picture, and once it breaks 2280, one can again expect that it will try to break this zone at 2300, then 2320, and in fact can try to complete this reversal till 2350 levels. So I'll be cautious here with the shorts today. Now look at the 2-hour chart. This is overbought here and probably it may try to sustain it, and there is a crossover on MACD which is wide and divergent, and this is a bullish crossover. So if it sustains, we may see a bull run here in silver. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see on the 3-hour charts, lower highs are getting achieved consistently. So if you see it breaking 2280, then only I will recommend you to go long. Once it trades about 2280, the target is towards 2290 and 2310 levels. These levels should provide a very strong resistance for silver for any upward move. Beyond that, it may see what it will try to do. It will try to achieve this zone at 2340 again if it continues to remain or continues to trade in this reversal zone. 3-hour stochastic near to overbought. MACD has just crossed over, and this is first green candle after the crossover, hence a bullish reversal can be expected. And look at the 4-hour charts closely. Looking at the 4-hour charts, you can clearly see once it breaks 2280 levels, it will try to achieve the highs of this zone, which is lying at around, so this is the channel in which it is trading, lying at around 2310, 2320 levels, and beyond that 22 to 2340, 50 zone can also be achieved. So in sum, we expect that probably if a reversal to be considered only if you see silver trading beyond 2280, rather I say 2285 levels. Look at this on the daily charts. Here is the high at around 2285. So probably once it breaks 2285, that is the level beyond which you can go long. Rather I will say, now to summarize, let me summarize it here. One can go long on silver at 2270, rather I will say 2285 only. Beyond that only I will consider this as bullish. Beyond 2285, one can expect 2300, 2310, and plus levels. In fact, it can try to hit 2340 also. On the downside, till the time it remains below 2285 every level, we have to be cautious with the shorts also. Only entry to remain short is below 2260 levels. Below 2260 we can expect it to drop, and yes, if it tries to trade below 2260, the target is again going to be 2240, which is going to be a stronger support than 2220 and 2200. Remember, 2200 is going to be a very strong support for silver for any further drop. So I'll be cautious. Go short below 2260, go long above 2285 only. In between these $2.5 or 25 points, we have to be very cautious in trading silver. Now, because on the daily charts the stochastic is now looking upwards, hence we can expect a reversal. MACD is now trying to converge and RSI is oversold, hence a bounce back can be expected. That is what we are looking forward to, but a confirmation is only beyond 2285. Once it trades above this, you can go long for 2300, 2320, 2340 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. You can also join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. You can also be part of my VIP Signals group. By trading with the help of Signals, you can definitely profit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.